Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and eating good. Today I have for you a non-dairy milk recipe. I'd say guide because this can be used for any nut or grain out there. So let's get right in. This video is sponsored by Prozzies. You can use my link down below to get their oat flakes, super cheap as well. Some waters as well as what you'll need. A cheesecloth that I just got from Amazon, a glass bottle and a trusty blender. Okay, first thing you want to do is add your oats into the blender. Now you can soak these overnight if your blender isn't as strong, but because mine is pretty good, I don't need to soak them. Then I'm going to add in the water. So I'm doing about a cup of oats to 1,000 grams of water here. Now these are the measurements I used for the consistency of milk I want, but you can honestly adapt it to how thick or thin you like your milk. So you just want to blend this on high heat until the oats have kind of been crushed down completely. This took about maybe 3 to 4 minutes in this blender, but you might want to go for longer in a weaker blender. So then you want to put the milk through the cheesecloth into a bowl, and you kind of just, it really is so simple. You just want to squeeze out the milk from the pulp. Would I call this pulp? Yeah, from the oat pulp, I guess. So just squeeze. It's actually kind of satisfying doing this. And then just squeeze until you can't get any more liquid out. Oat milk is very creamy, might feel a bit slimy, but that's absolutely fine. Don't throw away, the pulp. You can use this, add it to cakes or, mix in oats. And there you have it, guys, oat milk. This is a time where you taste it. If you want to add a sweetener, I'd recommend agave or maple syrup. And then once it's done, I just transfer it into a jug so it can pour easily into my glass bottle. And this keeps for about 3 days, up to 3 days in the fridge. You can freeze it, but it does go a bit grainy once it's defrosted, so I'd recommend just using it in 3 days. Use this for any other milk out there, guys, and it's good to go. Absolutely awesome. I'm so proud of this because I'm cutting down on dairy, so it's nice to make my own milk, and it's so cheap. Don't buy the stuff anymore, okay? I enjoyed mine with some oats that I just added some coconut sugar in, and it made my oats so creamy. Oh my gosh, like so creamy. I think I prefer this to dairy milk, to be honest, apart from being lactose intolerant. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Bye.